Hey everyone, so I'm getting a paint protection film put on my R8. What I'm doing is PPF on the full front of the car, including a single piece on the hood. Really anything I can protect on the front from rock chips, and the mirrors as well. So it'll be clear, everything I just talked about there. Now the other thing is the side blades are all black, and on an all black car, I feel like the car needs some contrast. So there's a PPF that's high gloss, kind of looks like carbon fiber, and it matches what would be a side blade on the R8. So I decided to do that. I was really happy with how it looks. I'll show you that kind of after video here in a minute. And so I'm doing all four of those pieces plus the gas cap cover. It also provides kind of a little bit of dimension, if you will, to the blades, makes them stand out a little bit more so the car's not all black on the sides. And also I'm wrapping the front headlights, so definitely want those covered so you can get all the chipping and little pops and cracks in the headlights. So pretty excited about that. And you see Eric working on the front to do a polish, and I'll be adding the gloss black badges. That's definitely something that I wanted on the car. And lastly, pop off the silver R8 badge, probably put a black one on or just leave it plain. The front looks so awesome with all black. So here's the after video. Okay, R8 Day 4, 2022 R8 Performance rear drive. What I had done, three things. I had the front PPF, talk about that. Next, black badges, pretty straightforward, swapping those out. And lastly, wrapped side blades with carbon fiber PPF. They turned out, I'm really happy with how they turned out. So first with the paint protection film across the top, the hood, had the complete hood, the front. Also did a subtle carbon fiber wrap just along the front, kind of give a little bit of contrast there. I definitely want to pop off this little R8 badge once I figure out how. Didn't want to take it off and bust anything. And so I did the hood, the front, the mirrors, and the side blades with paint protection film. Got the black badge on, kind of completes the look on the front. And next will be, the wheels are 6 weeks away. So unfortunately, having to wait on those, kind of move away from the chrome look on the side. And also, the next 2 weeks, get the exhaust put on and the Vorsteiner rear wing, sides. Again, really happy with how they turned out. Gives a nice contrast against the black. I feel like with just too much black that was lined up. And the black badges on the rear, which look great on the R8. The other side, what I mean by the side blades, by the way, see this top and bottom part that are now carbon fiber. The first Gen R8 had a single piece, it's called all carbon fiber, really cool look. And the Gen 2, the second gen, what they did was they broke it into two pieces, kind of two-part blade. And in the all-wheel drive Performance, those come in carbon fiber. And for me, with it was another upgrade on top of everything else I had. So it was the one on the bottom of the list, so I let it go because I spent money on exhaust and some other upgrades that to me are more important. So pretty happy with how it looks and how it turned out. There's not really any performance benefit of it, it's more for looks. And so spend money in some other areas. But the front of the 22 just looks fantastic, especially in black. It's such an aggressive look to it. It's kind of hard to really see it in person, until you see it in person, I mean. But it looks fantastic on the road. So can't wait to get some wheels with, kind of a concave, some depth to them. Maybe something a little more supercar, a little more aggressive. get the wing put on, the exhaust, and also window tints next week. I don't tint the front windshield because I like it clean, but definitely do the sides. And that's it for now. So I'll also, my next couple videos will be of the sport exhaust. I'll hook up the GoPro and do some external videos, get some good sound, and then compare that versus my 14 climb on the V10. And then of course, when I get the Quicksilver on, doing some exhaust comparisons against that too. So should be a lot of fun. I'll be pumping out probably another 15-20 videos in the next month, just as I kind of go through the R8 journey here. So, and of course, nice picture of the big V10. Can't wait to get that thing opened up with the right exhaust. So cheers for now.